who are here with me. I don't have to mention their names, but they cover all the current wards of South Imenti, and we have very, very good news to share to not only the people of South Imenti, but the people of Meru generally. As you know, there's been a lot of political and clan rivalries and a lot of media publicity and a lot of debates about the administrative units in Meru County, and more so in the Imenti South Subcounty. As the governor of Meru, I want to announce today that we are putting to an end all those controversies and all those debates which have surrounded our politics regarding the creation of administrative units in Meru County in the last 1.5 years or so. First, I would like to thank His Excellency President Thuura and his Minister, Fred Matiang'i, and also the Permanent Secretary, Mr. Kanyakine, for listening to our requests and granting them by creating the administrative units exactly in the way we requested them to be. As you know, there was a request from North Imenti that North Imenti be split into 2 sub-counties. That request has been granted, and from the special issue of the Kenyan Gazette today, that is the Gazette number 48 of 17th March 2022, the government, through Gazette Notice number 2969, has created a new sub-county in Imenti North, and that is the Imenti East, with its headquarters at Thuura. And we appreciate that. Then through the same Gazette Notice, the government has created 3 sub-counties, or 2 new sub-counties in South Imenti as follows. Number 1, the South Imenti sub-county has been renamed to read Nkuene Mitunguu Sub-County, with its headquarters at Nkubu. Then there is a new sub-county called Abogeta Sub-County, with its headquarters at Kanyakine. Then a new sub-county, Igoji Sub-County, has also been created, with its headquarters at Igoji. Then the same Gazette Notice has also created a new division called the Igoji Division, and has also created a new location called Gazettedngali East, Gazettedngali East location out of Gazettedngali. So we are very, very grateful to the national government for listening to our requests. You recall this is exactly the same request that we made through our letter of February 11, 2022 to Dr. Fred Matiang'i, after which I met the president, and he allowed all these requests. The gentlemen you see here are the people who are sent to follow up on these districts with them, I want to thank them because they have worked with me to make